Very good morning to all of you. Today we will continue the chapter Major Rivers of India. Already we have discussed River Krishna, River Kaveri, Mahanadi and Narmada River in my previous video. Today we will discuss the rest rivers. Let us start with River Indus. It is also known as River Sindhu. It is the largest river basin in the world. It originates in Tibetan region where in Kailash mountain range, and there in Tibet it is known as Singhi Kambal. It enters the Pakistan in Chile in Radistan region. The total distance the Sindhu river travels is 2900 kilometers, a long distance, and among this 709 kilometers is in India. Its main tributaries is Panchanad, that means the main 5 rivers and makes the name Punjab. The 5 rivers are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Vyas and Satluj. This river is the key source of water supply and irrigation facilities in Pakistan. So this portion is very important. Many questions may come from this portion. Please remember this one. Next one is Ganga. Ganga is an important river in our country on its basin way also and on the cultural side also. The significance of this river is very important on its cultural way because the Hindus believe this is a sacred river for them. This river originates in the Gangotri glacier near Gomukh, and here its name is Bhagirathi when it originates. When it starts traveling at their Prayag, and then it meets Bhagirathi meets Alakananda, and the name changes into Ganga. Here the name becomes Ganga. Till now it was named as Bhagirathi. When it meets Alakananda, the name becomes Ganga. It travels a distance of 2525 km, a long distance. It is the longest flowing river in our country, and it enters the plains at Haridwar. Till Haridwar, it travels through the hilly regions, and it enters the plains at Haridwar. The main tributaries of Ganga are Son, Gomati, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, Yamuna. These are the main tributaries, and it travels through the states like Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal, and finally it discharges itself into the Bay of Bengal. It is also very important. This river is also very important from the point of view of your exam. Next comes Yamuna. Yamuna is the longest tributary of river Ganga. It joins Ganga at Prayag in Allahabad. It is originating from the Yamunotri glacier. The cities like Delhi, Agra, they are situated on the bank of river Yamuna. It travels a long distance of 376 km. The main tributaries of Yamuna river are Hindon, Kon, Chenab. Many stories are related with Yamuna river with Lord Krishna. The Yamuna river is also associated with Lord Krishna. Next comes River Brahmaputra. River Brahmaputra is also one of the most important river in our country. It has its origin in the Kailash range near Mansarovar lake. From here, it flows through the southern Tibet, where it is known as Tsangpo, which means the purifier. It travels a distance of 750 km long journey through Assam Valley. It enters Bangladesh near Dhubri and flows southwards, and finally it discharges it into the Bay of Bengal. When it enters, it meets with Padma. The name of the Ganga river changes Padma when it enters Bangladesh. So it merges with Padma and then discharges itself into the Bay of Bengal. So this river is also very important. So the total 8 types of rivers we have read the basic gist. So again I am discussing the basic gist of Indus Valley. It is the largest river basin of the world. It is known as Sindhu, and the most important tributary is Panchanath, which is formed by the successive mergers of 5 rivers: Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj and Beas. And Indus River provides the key water resource for Pakistan's economy. Ganga is the most important river of India, both from the point of view of basin and cultural significance. It rises in the Gangotri glacier near Gomu in Uttarakhand, and there it is known as Bhagirathi. At Deoprayag it meets with Alaknanda and the name then changes into Ganga. It enters the plains at Haridwar. It travels a long distance of 2525 km. It travels the states like Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. The main tributaries of Ganga are Son, Gomati, then Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, Yamuna and Mahananda, and finally it discharges itself into the Bay of Bengal. The next is Yamuna. Yamuna river is the largest tributary of Ganga. It meets Ganga and it joins Ganga at Prayag in Allahabad, and it originates from Yamunotri glaciers. The cities like Delhi and Agra are situated on the bank of river Yamuna. Hindon, Ken, Chambal are its important tributaries, and Lord Krishna is associated with river Yamuna. Many stories are there related with river Yamuna and Lord Krishna. Next one is Brahmaputra. It originates in the Kailash range near Mansarovar lake, and it travels a distance of 750 km. In Tibet it is known as Tsangpo, which means purifier, and it enters Bangladesh near Dhubri and it merges with Padma and finally discharges itself into the Bay of Bengal. So please read the lesson thoroughly so that the key points you can remember nicely. Thank you, children.